Some survey sites let users answer questions without forcing them through long qualification processes before every survey, but the biggest difference is how clearly they match you with surveys you can actually complete. By the end, you'll know what makes a survey site worth using, how to avoid wasting time on constant screenouts, and what to check before creating an account. The first thing to understand is that survey sites use your profile information to decide which surveys you qualify for. A complete profile helps the platform match you with more relevant opportunities. Before starting surveys, fill out the available profile questions accurately. This gives the site more information about your interests, habits, and background, which can improve the chances of receiving suitable surveys. The second thing to check is how the survey process works. Some platforms show the estimated length of a survey, the reward amount, and the requirements before you begin. Look for sites that provide clear details up front. If you can see the expected time and reward before starting, you can skip surveys that are not worth your time. Another factor is how often users get removed from surveys after answering several questions. Screenouts usually happen because the survey provider is looking for a specific type of participant. To reduce wasted time, update your profile regularly, and choose surveys that match your information. Starting random surveys without checking the requirements can lead to more unsuccessful attempts. Payment options are also important. Before joining a survey site, check what rewards are available and how the redemption process works. A reliable platform should explain how you earn rewards, what payout methods are offered, and any account requirements you need to meet. You should also check user feedback before spending your time. Reviews can reveal common issues like too many qualification questions, unclear rewards, or problems with account support. The best survey sites are not necessarily the ones with the most surveys. They are the ones that make the process simple, show clear information, and help you find surveys that fit your profile. Before signing up for any survey platform, check 3 things: profile matching, survey details, and payment options. A practical next step is to create an account on one platform, complete your profile carefully, and test the survey experience before joining multiple sites. If this helped you find better survey options, like the video and subscribe for more guides about apps, rewards, and online earning platforms.